Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Whitney Wiley and today we are talking all things skincare. Essential, luxurious skincare. Okay, I am teaming up with PMD Beauty to talk to you about one of my favorite skincare devices and go through my entire skincare routine with you. So if you'd like to get information on my entire skincare routine, all the steps that I take, I'm gonna break it down for you guys, then just keep watching. Also, if you are new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. If you can hit that little red button down below, as well as the bell notification, you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. All right, let's get started getting this skin right. Okay, so the device I'm gonna be sharing with you today is the PMD Clean Pro RQ. What is that, you ask? It is a smart cleansing device and it is absolutely stunning. Here is what it looks like. So this is the cleansing device I use morning and night to assist with my skincare routine. And not only does it help my skin, but it is absolutely stunning. So I wanted to just show you guys what it looks like in its packaging. I wanted you to see how it comes. So it comes in this cute little carrying case. And this little case is a game changer. This is perfect for travel. It easily just holds your device in there and you can throw it in your little toiletry bag and go. Or you can just throw it in there in between uses, either way. Okay, so here's the device. Look how stunning this is. Okay, so one of the reasons why I think this little device is a gem, because it incorporates two different technologies in it. So the first technology you're gonna see is the Sonic Glow technology, and that allows this device to vibrate 7,000 times per minute. So once you put your cleanser on the little silicone pad right here, it's gonna vibrate so fast it's gonna help to break up the makeup, the dirt, the gunk on your skin. It helps to deep clean your pores. And more importantly, something I personally struggle with is it helps to reduce the size of your pores. So by removing all that debris, dirt, all of the nasty gunk that's congested in your pores, that helps your pores to seem smaller in appearance. And that is one of the main reasons why I love this device. Okay, so let's get started. I've got several products over there to share with you guys, but I'm using a mix of several different products that I use daily to keep my skin looking its best. We're gonna start off with the PMD Soothing Antioxidant Cleanser. This device works really well on all types of cleansers. I've used it on more like gel cleansers, foam, cream cleansers, all of the above. So we're gonna start with this. I personally like to get the device a little wet first, so I'm gonna run it under the water, and I just make sure to wet the silicone brush side. And then I'm just gonna put in a couple pumps of this, so just right there. You can use any cleanser that works for your skin with this device. Okay, I'm also gonna get my face wet as well. I warn you, I have a little bit of makeup on, so don't be weirded out if the cleanser turns brown. So next I'm gonna turn on the device. So modes 1 and 2 are for cleansing. So I just hit the button right here in the middle once, twice to make it go a little bit faster. And then I rotate this device all over my skin in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. So I just make sure to hit my entire face. I kind of stay on one section for a while. You can see the makeup coming off. This helps to remove makeup as well. I find that it actually helps remove my makeup better than just using my hands because it's vibrating so quickly. It's just breaking up that like foundation, cream bronzer, all that stuff. So you can see, not that that's very pretty, but you can see it removing my makeup. So this just helps to deep clean my pores, and the perfect frequency helps to lift my skin, helps to tighten it as well. It's like doing a facial treatment while you're just cleansing your skin, which you already have to do. So it's like a 2-in-1, it's perfect. I've also seen less breakouts with this because it's really getting my skin clean. So there is no extra dirt or debris left on my skin once I'm done with this. There goes my eyebrows. Sorry guys, I'm gonna be eyebrowless for the rest of this video. Okay, so once I'm done, you can see the cleanser and makeup. One of the great things about this device is it's ultra hygienic. So these little silicone bristles, they have built-in antibacterial properties in them, so you don't have to worry about it collecting the dirt and the gunk and then transferring that back onto your skin the next time you use it. So literally, I just rinse this off once I'm done using it, and it is ready to go for the next time I wanna use it. FYI, I just rinsed off the device. All you do is just run it underwater, and it's good as new. Okay, So my face is officially clean. We're back to being all natural. So next I'm gonna go in with my toner. So I'm gonna use the PMD Smooth Multivitamin Nourishing Toner. It looks like this. And I am just gonna give myself a little spritz of this all over. I always like to tone my skin afterward. It just helps to kind of prep your skin for the next application. So I'm literally just gonna give myself a couple of spritz. I love the smell of it. It's so citrusy. It's like citrusy and fresh, so just let that dry a little bit. Okay, next we're gonna go in with my favorite oils and serums. So I use both of these two. This Recovery Serum by Maman, and I've been loving the Abe Royale collection from Guerlain. So I'm gonna go in with both of these. But first I'm gonna show you how I use my PMD Clean Pro with my serums and my oils to help make them work a little bit better. Okay, so next we're going to flip the device over to the other side. You'll see this beautiful rose quartz stone right here. And now we're gonna use the second technology that I mentioned in the beginning of the video. So this actually uses active warmth technology. So we're gonna use that along with my serums, oils, moisturizers to help penetrate my skin even better. So this little baby actually heats up to about 107 degrees Fahrenheit. And that in combination with the oils and the serums and the moisturizers help to penetrate your skin even better and helps for a deeper absorption into your skin. Which you might wonder, why is that important? But it's so important to me because I spend all this money on serums and moisturizers and eye creams and oils, and then there's a chance that it might just sit on the surface of your skin. So the active warmth technology really assists in getting those products deeper into your skin and making sure they're more effective. Okay, so first we're gonna go in with my serum. I just put a little bit, honestly, right on the stone. So we're gonna hit the little button on the front. 3 and 4 are for anti-aging facial massaging. So we did 1 and 2 for cleansing. So I just hit that. 2, 3, and you'll hear like a little pulsating sound. Or 4. So there's a slower one and a faster one. We'll go with 3. And then you hit the button on the back of the device and that gets the active warmth technology started. And so I literally just rub that into the skin. Circular motions again. And you can feel it almost like pushing the product into your skin, which is so nice because that's what you want. You're spending all this money on the serums and the oils, it needs to go into your skin. And you can feel the warmth instantly, you guys. So it doesn't take long at all. It's literally about 3 seconds and you can feel it getting warm. So it's not like you have to wait for this to heat up or like a curling iron or something, you know? Okay, once that's been rubbed in, it's time to go in with my oils. So I'm going in with my Abe Royale Youth Watery Oil from Guerlain. I just do 3 to 4 drops on this. That's about it. And then I turn the pulsing back on to 3 or 4 and push this in. I kind of dab it all over first just to make sure the product's evenly distributed. Okay, feeling beautiful and moisturized already. Just 2 more products to my skincare routine. I know this sounds like a lot, but hey, I'm like, you gotta take care of your skin, you know? You have it forever. I'm just gonna go in with my moisturizer now. So I'm gonna use the PMD Regenerate Anti-Aging Recovery Moisturizer. Looks like this. And I literally do the same thing that I've been doing with my serums and my oils. I just take a little small amount out. I place it like right on the stone and then go back in. Put a little bit everywhere. I still have that heat technology going. Oh, I also forgot to tell you guys, I will sometimes put this in the fridge too for a little bit because the rose quartz stone feels really good underneath your eyes in the morning. So you can chill this for a second and then put it underneath your eyes to help depuff because I get puffy eyes. I have allergies and the puff is real sometimes in the morning. So looking shiny, but we'll call it dewy. And next I'm gonna go in with my eye cream. This is the eye cream by Laura Mercier. This is the one I use. It's just the illuminating eye cream. I really like this one. I just started using it not too long ago, but I really like this because it has an illuminating property to it, which is so nice, which is what I need to kind of, I don't know, minimize the look of the dark circles, you know? Just so you know, it also comes with a cord to charge the device. It only takes about 2 to 3 hours to charge it, and I charge it every 2 to 3 weeks. You don't have to charge it that often. I use it daily, morning and night. So you can definitely take this with you on vacation. You can throw it in its little carrying case to throw in your toiletry bag, and you probably don't even need the charger. So that's one great thing about that. It'll most likely make it through the entire trip with you. And I just love how beautiful this device is. It's so pretty. I love the little rose gold detail right here. It looks stunning on my vanity in my bathroom. It's just such a beautiful device. So that's just an added bonus. Lastly, guys, I just wanted to mention I actually use this with face masks as well. The same way I want to push those products into my skin, from the serums and the oils, the moisturizers, I want to get that exact same effect with my mask. One of the ways I do that is with sheet masks. I will take any sheet mask. This is the PMD recovery sheet mask, but any sheet mask will work, and I'll place it on my face, and then I'll go to mode 3 or 4. I'll take the rose quartz side and I'll just push that in over my skin all the way throughout, and it really helps to push the product that's in that sheet mask deeper into my pores. So I love that. I'm getting the maximum benefit out of my sheet mask. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little skincare routine. I enjoyed sharing all my favorite products with you and talking to you more about the PMD Clean Pro RQ. If you guys want to try the device for yourself, they were generous enough to give me a discount code. You can just use Whitney20. I'll leave it right here on the screen, and you can get 20% off site-wide. So they have other devices, skincare, and more. So if you like the cleanser, the toner, moisturizer, any of the things I was using today, or maybe you're interested in the sheet mask, don't forget to use that discount code and save yourself 20% off of your order. I will also leave a link right down below that'll take you straight to the PMD Clean Pro RQ, so you can read more about the device if you like and get a little more information. So I'll leave that down below in the description bar. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed sharing my skincare routine with you, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.
Thank you.